So today I made over $500 in profit trading using our latest indicator. And in this video, I'm going to show you all the trades that I took, the process on how I took the trades, how I was finding the entries from the indicator, and how I was executing all my trades. I'm also going to show you the results of each and every trade that I took so that you can see how exactly this indicator works. Okay guys, as you can see, we have the indicator fully installed and fully set up, which means that now we're going to be looking for trades in all of these boom and crash indices. This is currently how the indicator looks on crash 500. We actually missed some sell entries here and here and here, but nonetheless we're going to find more entries using the indicator. Okay guys, so before we proceed, I'm going to pick a winner who is going to win this indicator, and it's going to come from the comment section. So make sure you comment down below and watch this video so that you know how you can win a spot as well. So this comment right here, congratulations, please contact us so that we can add you to the VIP Signals group for free for 1 month, and you'll be able to trade with us and get these trades that we are getting. Okay, you can say that we've been following us for the past 4 years. Don't forget to join our free Telegram channel. The link will be in the description box like this, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe as well. So the indicator just gave us a sell entry on boom 900 right there, and we are going to take advantage of that signal that we got from our latest indicator. As you can see, that's the sell entry, and we're going to enter some positions right here and just secure our positions just like that. Okay, so now we're in the trade, ready to go. We're logged in. I'm gonna show you guys and update you of how we go, but our target is the previous buy entry right there. That's where we think the market is going to get some support and maybe turn around. But if it passes this level, we know we're heading for this zone right there. So let's see how this goes. This is just a quick update on boom 900. We ended a few minutes ago, about 10 minutes ago, and we're already in profit. We're a bit late on this trade because the sell entry came right here and we ended right then, but nonetheless we're already in profit. You know, we're already pushing, already scalping, and remember our target, we expect price to react around this area, so we're going to be very watchful of it as well. Okay, we just got an entry, a beautiful sell entry on a boom 300. This is the 30-minute time frame, and the reason why I'm saying this is a good trade is because we are in that yellow zone and we got a sell entry whilst we are in that yellow zone. Now, for those of you that are following and watching these videos, you know that if you get into that yellow zone and you get a sell entry, that's a very strong signal. So we've already secured our position right there. We've already secured our sell trade on boom 300. Now all we have to do is to be waiting and see how this goes. Gonna update you guys. Obviously, our targets, this previous buy entry. We know price is probably going to react to that zone, so that's always our first target. That's where we collect our partial profits and we lock in. So let's wait. Okay, it's been like 15 minutes now since we ended a sell trade on boom 300. You guys remember I told you that we got an entry from the indicator right here, the sell entry, and it was right in our yellow zone right there. And I said, whenever you see price in that yellow zone, you know that going to be a very strong sell momentum. So we're actually going to see a strong downward movement. I hope you guys are going to follow, and I hope it's going to push really hard. But we are deep in profit for about 15 minutes now, just in profit. No loss. We had a pullback, but that pullback did not cross our entry, which means that we were just in profit from the beginning. uh we really like full margin traders really like that, because you know that there won't be any margin call, right? Power of the indicator, those sniper entries, guys. We just got another entry from our indicator. We got that buy entry right there. This is crash 1000. We're in our 15-minute time frame. We're gonna try and scalp all the way back to these levels, these previously respected zones. So right here, I'm actually going to look in our trade. Sorry, I was supposed to enter into a buy trade right there. So I'm going to close um, the other one and put in some buy trades right there. Okay. And then we're going to wait for the market to recover a bit and push to the upside and probably get to these zones. We're just trying to capitalize with the indicator. Okay, just trying to get in some nice pips, some free pips as the market is retracing. But you see, generally the market is pushing down, but we can't miss those opportunities as well. Okay, guys, look at that. This is boom 900. We are deep in profit, guys. This was a setup from our indicator. Sell entry there. Got in, told you guys price is going to react when it gets close to this buy entry. So I'm probably going to lock in my trades right now so that I protect my profits. I already know price might react, and I'm gonna update you guys and show you if it does react or not. But wow, we are deep in profit. Okay, so that was a beautiful trade again from our indicator. Managed to help us scalp and get a few profit. We're still grateful for that. So let me protect my trades and cover up my position. The indicator gave us some multiple buy entries on crash 600 that we missed, but we can see that the momentum is still there. We can see that price is headed to our previous sell entry. So this whole movement, we want to capitalize on it on crash 600. Now, I've also noticed that these markets are actually pushing up. They're sort of like doing the same move. Even if you look at crash 900, it's the same buy movement. Um, Something to note on crash 1000 as well. We're in this trade and they're sort of like pushing up like that. All of these crashes. So crash 1000, crash 900, crash 600. That's doing the same movement. So now we're just going to look in our sell, our buy trade, sorry, our target is this level. Okay, so that's what we're going to set our targets uh, to this one. Okay, and then we just wait. I'm gonna update you guys on how this plays out. So we are now very deep in profit on crash 600. Look at that, it's just ticking up and up and up, and we're going to lock in some profits because with one lot size that's a lot of profit, and we have to secure our trade so that we are not kicked out of the market. Okay, but that's a beautiful buy trade. Special thanks to the indicator. We're very very late on this trade, and I don't want to lie, guys. Look at where the buy entry, look at the first buy entry, we got it right in the blue zone, which was very perfect. And we got a re-entry here. We're supposed to get a re-entry somewhere there. I think it's gonna come an entry from the indicator, and our target is this one, guys. But wow, we're already in profit. I can just imagine if we had ended way earlier on this trade, would have made thousands of dollars, guys, in one trade. Like this video, guys. Comment down below to win a free spot in the VIP signals group. um, I'm gonna update you guys on more of these trades. So this is boom 900. This is the update. We are deep in profit. Uh, this trade, we got it from our indicator, remember, and we got those sell entries right there. And I told you price is gonna react probably around this buy entry. So we're gonna wait and see, because that level is somewhere around here, and that's the price level we're kind of targeting, if I'm not mistaken. So let's wait and see. But otherwise, we are deep in profit because of the lot size that we're using, and we were dealing with the 5 minute time frame here. So we know that we're not going to be in for hours, right, on this trade. Guys, this is the current situation with Crash 1000. We're in profit, but we just got that little spike um right there. Price definitely reacted to this area as and took it as a resistance. And then it gave us a very some drop, some drawdown on our entry, but nonetheless we are still in profit. So I just thought of updating you guys. But you're going to need to be um, composed when these things happen, and to be careful, and to just know that trust your trade, hold on, and know that not every time will price just push and go in your direction. Sometimes it will retrace, sometimes it will play with your emotions, but just, I'm not saying hold your loss until you burn. I'm saying uh, right now we're still in profit, so there's no need for us to rush to close this trade because we might actually make more. If the West comes to the West, we're going to close right there around our entry. So we're still fine with that. What did I tell you? I told you guys that there's nothing to be scared of, even if you see some retracement as you are trading, because once your direction is right, the market will always um, follow. So uh, we are recovered from that small spike, and we are pushing up on crash 1000. We are pushing up. This is where we ended. This is actually the 15-minute time frame, and it means we have been in profit for close to 30 minutes now, just running deep in profit. Here's a quick update on Boom 500 clean shot we took right there on the sell. As you can see, we are deep in profit right now. We are deep in profit. Just look at how this trade looked like. It was bouncing all along this whole zone, and we ended right there, and it made a breakout, almost like it knew that we ended the sell and gave us that clean breakout. But obviously, the signal came from the indicator. That's the sell entry that we got on Boom 500, and we are deep in profit, so we can actually protect our capital, protect our profit right now as we go. Probably will drop even further down to this zone, but right now we're comfortable with the profits. Remember, we took so many trades and we took profit on all of them just using the indicator. So there's no need for us to hold for long and just expose ourselves, since we got so many trades in profit. Okay, I can't remember when last I gave an update on Crash 600. This is how it's performing. Uh, Remember what I told you guys. If you were following, I said we got this buy entry in this blue zone, and we got this second entry that we missed. I told you somewhere around here, it's going to give us a second entry because it's a very strong bullish momentum. And we're obviously going to head to the zone and react to the zone. So this is a new buy entry. I actually predicted it before the indicator even gave it. So I actually can add more positions at this level and actually be profitable. But nonetheless, our trade is deep in profit. It is deep in profit. Let me show you how it looks like in the 1 minute time frame. It's a clean shot. If you're a full margin trader like me, you like this type of trades where you just get in profit and no drawdown, zero drawdown. Guys, this is amazing. So from here, probably going to get this on. I don't know if I'll keep updating you guys because I don't want to make this video too long for you. But if you have any questions, make sure you ask them in the comment section down below. And remember, if you comment, you will stand a chance to win a spot in our VIP signals, where I will be sending these trades each and every single day. So make sure you sign up for that. Look at that. So all this analysis was done by the indicator. All these cells came from the indicator, and now it's giving buys, and we're going all the way up again. Wow. Okay, guys, so look at what happened to Boom 300. The indicator just showed me that I know nothing, right? If it says sell on Boom 300, you can see if it says sell, you should sell. I was worried about price reacting this one, but it actually bounced the other way. They show that we are breaking out, did a break and retest, and now we are pushing all the way down. So I'm actually even more comfortable now to hold it all the way down because of that break and retest. But remember what I told you guys, if you're in this yellow zone, even if you can sell your house and place that sell entry, as long as it's coming from this yellow zone, it's usually a very high frequency trade. That was a joke about the house. Please don't sell your house. I was just messing with you, but what I'm just trying to say is those type of trades are for those that have the indicator. Just know that those type of trades where either you're in the blue zone and you get a buy entry, or if you're in the yellow zone and you get a sell entry, those are must takes, right? Because just look at it. Wow. Okay, guys, at this point, I'm just tired of keeping on updating you guys of wins and wins that we're getting from the indicator, right? Because I keep on showing you wins, and you guys probably think um, it's fake. But look at Crash 1000. I told you we're going to buy. Let me show you on the on the screen. Crash 1000. Look at the buy entry got from the indicator, and at just a few more minutes later, and boom, we are deep in profit. So right now, all the trades that I showed you, you can see, guys, they're all in profit, all of them. So there's no, uh, I'm not matching them up right now and recording. I'm actually showing you what's happening in real time, guys, in real time. So, boom, 1000 was a success again, still pushing up. Probably going to react to this one. So it'll be a good time to look up our profits. Guys, I think this is my final update. This is Boom 300. Definitely we killed that trade. Massive win. I can see Boom 300 on there. And we got that beautiful sell entry from the indicator. And this is my final update, guys. Tell me, guys, what you think about the indicator in the comment section. And remember to win a free spot in our VIP signals group where you'll be able to get these trades. Make sure you comment something. The best comment gets to win, just like our first winner at the beginning of the video. Until next time.